constantly facing rejections in your life and still not able to understand why that is happening to you? Well, we have the answer here. We are born with 50% DNA of our father, 50% DNA of our mother. So now, for some reason, when the father is rejecting, emotionally distant, not available, or maybe out of the picture, being overcritical or being conditional, that only if you prove it to me, only if you perform, only then you're capable of my love. So what happens is child often feels I'm not lovable the way I am, because the child is constantly struggling to prove to the father and get the approval of the father, so that at least when he's trying to perform and get down to all the conditions laid by the father, he will at least see and recognize the child. So now when the child grows up and becomes the adult self, what happens? The personality of this adult self often tends to become people pleasing. Why? The reason being because this child who was there was constantly looking for the approval from the father, was looking for the conditions. So to always being in a good books, always trying to be in a good way, this adult self will always try to please people. Second, because there's a rejection from the father taking place, the child is rejecting basically 50% of it itself. So now that means 50% of the child, when it's rejecting himself or herself, the person is also leading to the self-rejection. The fact that the father is not there because it is based on the conditions which is there or emotionally not available, what happens? The adult grows up living in lot of fear of being disliked. So because there's a lot of fear of being disliked, it will please everybody and anybody around the person who is there, doing and saying whatever others say. And as a result of it, what happens? It will start hiding him or her as his true own self, what he or she is. And so if this hits you, and if you're able to connect with this, then it's time to heal your father wounds and get out of these patterns of constant rejection.